Hey y'all, welcome back to Roads Less Traveled. Today we're going to be reviewing these Aqua Pro duck hunting waders from TideWe. Alright y'all, to start this thing off, TideWe sent me these waders. That being said, like all of my videos, it's still going to be an honest and thorough review. If you guys decide you like what you see and you want to go out and pick up a pair of these waders off TideWe's website, if you don't mind, check below in the description. There will be a discount code and an affiliate link. If you follow that affiliate link, then use that discount code, I will earn a small commission off of your purchase. Alright y'all, let's unbox these Aqua Pro waders and see what we think. Alright, right off the bat you got the waders. They're in a nice little bag here. Let's set those to the side and we'll get to them here in just a second. In the box you've also got these extra shell holders that go on to the belt of the waders if you choose to use them. You've got a cell phone pouch. TideWe on it. You use that to stick down in the waders, put your cell phone in it so it won't get wet. You've also got a pair of boot hangers so you can hang them up in the off season when you're not using them. Maybe hang them up and let them dry after you've been in the water. And then we got the belt for the waders, and your shell pouches will go right on there. Let's go ahead and open these dudes up and see what they look like. So right off the bat, I can tell these dudes are pretty hefty. They've got quite a bit of quilted insulation in the middle, and it's pretty thick. I imagine they're going to be pretty warm to wear. They've got some nice padded straps here. Seems like some pretty quality buckles. You've got more shell holders here on the front, along with a zipper. Looks like one of those waterproof zippers. And a hand warm pocket that's got some nice warm, what's that material? Fleece lined pocket. Keep your hands warm. And it's also got another chest pocket here for you to stick, whatever other accessories you may be carrying in the woods. Let's take a look at the boots. Now these waders they've got 1,600 grams of insulation in the boot. And you can tell they're pretty beefy boot. They want to keep your feet from getting cold. I'm going to try these dudes on real quick. There's another pouch on the inside I just realized. Kind of flips down on the chest waders. It's got a waterproof zipper. Keep something maybe if you don't want it to get wet. I'm going to slip these dudes on real quick. Alright y'all, here they are on. They do seem pretty true to size. I'm a size 11 and they fit just like I would expect from other waders I've bought. Seem like they're pretty quality made, and I can tell they're going to be pretty warm. Alright, I went ahead and put the extra shell holders here on the belt. Hopefully you can see what that looks like if you choose to use them. The waders have these little D-loops if you need to hook and hang anything from them. They seem pretty quality, but it's hard to tell until you get in the water, and we'll see if these things leak. So that's gonna be the next part of the video. We're gonna go see if we can find some water and hop in it and see how these waders perform. One thing I forgot to mention when I pulled the waders, when I put the waders on, this little patch repair kit fell out. So that's handy to have if you were to puncture them on a stick or a sharp rock or something like that when you're when you're wading through the water. So I'll set that to the side. Hopefully we don't need it, but if we do, we've got it. All right, y'all. So I was able to get them waders out, put them on, walk around in some water. I mean, they seem like pretty good waders. You know, I think that I think they're going to do the job. Of course, it's middle of summer here, middle of August. It's hot, so I was pretty warm in them things, being as insulated as they are. One thing that I kind of wish is they're breathable waders, but the quilted liner is built into them and it's not removable. You know, I've had waders in the past that had a zip out liner, and I really like that because I'll use chest waders for more than just duck hunting during, you know, the cold winter months. I'll use them for deer hunting a lot of times. And I like the breathable ones because they're typically lighter, more packable. You know, I can pack them in, put them on, wade across a slough or swamp or whatever. But having that zip out liner is nice for that because it's one less thing you got to pack, and then when it's hot out, they're a little bit, you know, easier to use, more comfortable anyway. But what these things are, I mean, they seem like pretty good waders. They didn't leak or anything. They seem like they're built pretty well. You know, they're not a super expensive pair of waders, and if you wait until they're having a sale, maybe use find a discount code, then you can really get them for, I think, a really affordable price. And speaking of that, if you'll look down in the description, I'll have an affiliate link where if you click that link and then purchase your waders from TideWe, or just click the link and then if you purchase within 30 or 60 days or something like that, I'll earn a small commission. Also, I will put a discount code down below that will allow you to get some % off of these waders. But, I mean, like I said, I think they're a decent set of waders. If you're needing something, you know, go over to TideWe's website and check them out. They do have a couple other different pairs of waders. They got some with a zipper on the front. And they may have a couple other pairs if one of them fits you better. But my affiliate link, if you click that affiliate link and then you end up purchasing them other waders, I'll still earn a commission. So if you just following that link ain't gonna cost you anything. If you do it, I appreciate it. And the discount code should be good for anything, any waders on their website. So I really appreciate y'all checking this one out. I hope you have a blessed day. And like always, remember, take the roads less traveled.